All right, hello, friends and followers. Well, here's the R4B receiver after the Q4 was replaced. So in the last video, we were replacing Q4 with a BC550 transistor because Q4 was, looks like it was kind of leaking some current through. It wasn't really biasing off completely. So Q4 has been replaced, and there's our Q4 for the AVC AGC amp. Q4 is laying around here somewhere on the desk, but we won't care about that. I did find a 12 BA6 in this thing, which I don't know. It looks kind of smoked on the inside, so I just took that one out. I don't know if that means anything or not, but there's also no numbers in this thing, so I just removed it. Had a spare one. Anyway, so all the tubes are back in this monkey, so we're ready to go. So now we can see with no signal, I'm hearing ambient noise from the IF amps and all that, so that looks good. Our AGC AVC is almost zero, which is good. Means the amps are running as best they can, close to zero, with no blocking from the negative grid voltage. So that's good. And so now I've been fiddling here with 20 meters. Oh yes, and the S meter does zero now, so I can twiddle with the zero knob here, and now I can zero the S meter like I would want to. So there it is, right at zero with no signal. What about there? We're at 1, and the control here is more reasonable now for the AVC. I can go here to none. It's a lot more reasonable. So let's listen now and see what we can hear. So I'm on 20 meters here. Whoa. Okay, so you can see that there's some RIDI coming in here. And I'm looking at the voltage here. So yeah, so with a signal, it's going to raise the ADC up. No signal, it's down 1.4. So that's pretty reasonable. That's coming in S9. So yeah, this receiver hasn't really been this functional until now. But that guy's booming in here, so pretty happy with that. Let's see how this looks here. Anyway, I think that concludes the fixing of this receiver.
To the new place, and he had to put them down in the rec room downstairs. So we had to buy some new speakers. And I can remember him doing the research on this. It must have taken him 6 months. Thanks, Bill. Good to see you. Tango.
7, Juliet Delta Tango.
You're 2 over 9 here in Montana. Sound great, over. 73, WR7, DW is on, and yeah, Railcar Montana, towards it.
Anyway, so I have a 160 crystal in this thing too, so we can go to 160 here, go down here, click that up one and dip way down here, and we'll get 160. Let's see here. Well, what's really disturbing is I just lost my S meter here. That's no fun. Not sure why that happened, but it's gone. No. Can I still balance it? Nope. Looks like the S meter is kaput. Gotta figure that out now. See that? Old radios, you're never done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.